Alright, boys and girls, we are in now, and we are on the Oasis map for reload. So we are going to scuff the double edit. Oh, Shady Springs. Alright, we're gonna go to Shady Springs and see if we can beat everyone in Shady Springs. I'm gonna land just there. Alright, you gotta thank the bus driver. If you don't, you lose. Give me that! Who's here? Who dare try to contest me? Oh, I love this Stinger now. This Stinger is my favorite SMG. Can't freaking. I like water. Ranger, Rattler. Alright, good luck. Yes! Alright, we got blue Stinger. This absolutely melts. So we're gonna see what we can do with this. Nice, 5 shield. You always gotta use. Oh crap, those people. Ow. I don't like people. Scary. Oh, scary. I got freaking no mats. Hold up. Oh. Stinger! Bomb. I cancel my reload. Alright. Get all of it. Okay. Again! Ah! Alright. Good luck. Mythic. Come on. Yep. 100% mythic. Oh my goodness. I just thought that was a player. I thought this was a freaking player. This is a range. This is a ranger. This is a ranger. I thought one of them was a combat. Oh no. Alright. We need to try getting to some more fights. Mammoth. Slay. I'm so slay. Hey, people. Back. Back. I know where you live. Back. 0 damage. Oh, hell no, man. 28. 44! What? No, I can't lose. No. I'm dead. Never back down. Always remember the words of the famous Nick A30. Never back down, never what? I'm so cringe. No, where is this guy? Where do you live? He lives over there. Come on. I'm not dying, you're dying. What do you mean I'm broke? You're broke. 17, cracked. Oh my days, I can't hear freaking mammoth. This is a bit disappointing. Oh. Should have been a headshot. 96! Oh, windmill aim. We love to see it. Full piece. Ha. Oh, he had some good loot. But we had better. Alright. Oh. Oh, damn. Alright. Easy kill. No reaction. No reaction at all. There. Okay, let's push. Ranger up. I thought that was a. Oh my days, I miss. 46. 50. Alright, give me that pump. The guy. I suck with the mammoth. I'm actual with the mammoth. Alright, you love it? Oh yeah, this house. The OG. Oh, I see kid. Ah. No! He's a bot! And I still can't hit. Oh no. I'm an actual bot. Oh my days, I can't hit a freaking grappler. There you go. 8 damage. I genuinely suck. Legendary Maven. Give me that. Nice. Oh yeah, best number of ammo. Okay, let's see. Oh, shots. I swear, somebody's camping in this bush. Okay, because I want to camp in it. Ah, there's no people anymore. Very short and once. What's that? Nah. Alright. Come on. Come on. Come on. We're gonna beat these guys. If they even live somewhere. Okay, let's go for the supply drop. Never mind. Spray him down, boys. Never mind. You think you can get the supply drop, boy? There's no chance. There's a tactical. Ooh, Slurpee. Meow. I'm fast. I'm too fast. Come on. 14. 14. 14. Nice. I'm so good. I might just be too good. 20, 20, 20. Nice. With the Maven. Wait, what? I missed every... Nice. A scar. Ledge scar. No! There's more kids. More kids. More kids. 49! 50. Okay, I need to heal up. There's loads of kids. Oh my days, there's another one. I do not have their HP. Oh, I need to kill him. Ledge Maven, there's no chance I'm taking that. I literally just had that anyways. Hunting. When did he get it? He blends in with the wood. Oh, shoot. For General Grievous. I have the better version of that skin, boy. The one with a higher level, boy. You cannot run from me. You cannot kill me. Where the heck is he? Oh, that's not him. I'm still gonna kill him. Wow! Told you. Come on, good loot. Damn. That's some pretty good loot. 2 HP. Dank. Skadoosh. use the footstep. Top tip, use the footsteps to help you see where kids are. Where the heck is he? He just disappeared! Ah! Oh my... It's him! Aha! I am too good. Easy. Just don't mind that. I meant to do that. I meant to do that, guys. Don't worry. He has a purple thunder too. But mine's better. Do I wait for the supply drop? Do I though? Do I like really? Yeah. What the hell? Box up because I'm a scaredy cat. You gotta do it. Ooh, what's that people? Oh my days, I literally clicked for the crash pad juniors. Wait, why is it junior? Alright, let's get some height. I should have picked up the sniper. My aim at the moment still is revolting. Spray that box. Nobody's in that box. Hold on. That's perfect. Ooh. Eee. Yes! No! Oh my god, yeah, Brutus's mythic drum gun! Oh my days! And I'm not dead. Oh my days. I see him. Oh, 200! And then the spray. Oh, it's me v him, it's me v him. The shockwave. Don't do this shockwave glitch on me, please. Ali A360. Alright, this is intense now. Come on. I win these. I am built diff. That. I see him, I see him. With the minigun! It's Grievous! You are not beating me! Yes! Get in! With the minigun. Oh, wrong guys, that is me finding Brutus's minigun. And how many kills did I even get? 11 kills. That's horrible. Alright. See you guys in the next video. Bye.